Hey guys, what's going on? Justin Fuller, Director of Digital Sales for TrueSpot, and today, quick tutorial video on you. So I just want to show you how to use the phone app today to connect tags up, right? So whether it's a car tag, whether it's a key tag, whether it's a battery pack, whatever the item is, I want to show you how to connect these tags to specific pieces of inventory. And today we're going to show you how to specifically do that using the phone app. All right, guys, so here we are, and I've got my phone, and I'm mirroring it to the screen for you, so I want to show you how to connect up tags. So I've got a handful of tags with me. I've got a battery pack, I've got a key tag, I've got a car tag. They're all going to work the exact same, but I just want you to see how this works. So what you're going to do, first thing is you're going to go to True Tag Management, this second button down, so I'm going to go ahead and select that button. Now, once you're here, if the car is already in your inventory feed that you want to connect the tag to, great, just search it out and find it, right? No big deal. If it's something you just took in on trade, right? Maybe it's something that doesn't live in your feed yet, there is a button up in the top right corner all the way up here that looks like a little scan, a little barcode. What you can do is, if it's a trade-in, open up the door and that little barcode that's in the door jamb, you can scan this and it'll add it automatically. So that way it'll drop that entire VIN and stock number in for you. Or I can manually type in like the stock number or the VIN, and then it'll say, hey, we haven't found this, do you want to add it? And it'll prompt me, right? So just know that even if it's not in the feed yet, you can still add it in. I just prefer to scan it. Now, if you don't want to scan it, like I said, you would type in your numbers, your letters, whatever that is, hit search and say, hey, we didn't find this. Do you want to add it as a stock or VIN? And then you could go from there, right? So easy enough to understand. There's a couple different ways you can add in a car if it's something brand new that you've just taken in and you want to connect the tab up to it immediately. So for the sake of this, let's go to this 2020 Chevy Bolt, right? We'll tag this one. So there's a tag a key button and a tag a car button, right? So tagging the key tag, car tag, very simple. So we're gonna start off with the key tag. I can tap that button, and then on there, I can either look on the back of my tag and find the numbers and letters and type those in to search it out, or I can just scan the tag. There's a little QR scan button right next to the search. If I tap that, it'll open up that search, and then I can just scan that tag. Boom, scan it, and it would connect it up. Now, this is a dead promo tag, so it's not going to connect this one. Yours would immediately connect up, and then you'd be good to go, right? So once you've done that, then I would come back to the same car and say, okay, now I want to do the vehicle. So for the sake of the vehicle, tag a car, and then same thing on the back of all of our tags, whether it's a battery pack, whether it's a just a classic tag, an OBD2. The OBD2, you don't have to do anything. You just plug it in. But for the sake of these tags, all I've got to do, hit that scan button, and then scan the back of that tag. Boom, scan it, and we're good to go, right? So same thing, this is a promo tag, so it's not going to connect up. Once I've done that, both of those will be connected, and on here, you'll see icons showing that it's been connected. And what I mean by that is if you come in here and look at something, see where the icons are now, where I can see a car icon, two key icons, or a car and key, you'll see that there's something now connected to it when you've done it. All right, guys, so hopefully that was super helpful as far as giving you the ability to connect up your tags using the phone app. Understand that you can do it via the desktop as well. If you need additional help, you can always reach out to me. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a way to call, text, email me. If you need to set up some time with me, we can always do that just to visually go over it, on a Zoom call or something of that nature. Understand that we have the support line that you can always reach out to as well. So feel free to take advantage of those how-to videos and let me know if you need anything. Other than that, appreciate it, guys. Later.